Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Nakadaw ke jingsi tom hakelet kawan, bampat don ke surok rong, bat bedang don tang ke surok kendo. Kipai nong song senong jong ke senong lapangap, ke bahak bapok West Gentle Hills District, kabaran hakapot apadang ke Jelam Meghalaya bat Assam. Man laos nem ki jumi pajba ban maramat hi ya ke surok. Mentau snem ru ke darbar senong lapangap ke lapelong biang ya ke ni ke jing maramat ya ke ni ke surok kaban poi sya ke senong khanduli. Hendrai ke bahak banyak leng baru na ke senong langkiroi ke bahak bapok ke West Karbi Anglong District ha ke Jela Assam. Ya ke ni ke jing maramat surok lasdang nuduk ke katsan terik mentau bena jemang arajar kat kendai. Hendrai kat ba ke kam kadang ya syasat ban the siap bat ban pendap iki thidiu kisar ha ke ni ke surok. Dendet kersan ha ke porjan mien lawan poi ki pulet jong ke Jela Assam ki bala pensange ya ke ni ke jing maramat surok. Dah ke baai daw bakas nong ke klem yok jingben na ki bor penyak district jong ke West Karbi Anglong District. Dah ke jing tiang ki bor penyak district jong ke Karbi Anglong ki pai baru kim banse bansange no ya ke jing maramat surok ha ke ni kesngi. Ha ke sing ke babot pat kata ha ke khandre tereng mentau bena jembang he. Aden baki nong sung ka lapangap ki layok jingtem baki bor pulet jong ke Jelam Meghalaya na sat sama polis outpost ken sawan poi sya ke ni kesnong. Ki pai baru dah ke jing sngo sengan kila beteng biang ya ke jing maramat ya ke ni kesurong. Dah ke bathe siam bat pendap mau haki benta balong tliu. Dah ke bapenan kam deki kali bolero pick up truck bat ki truck 407. Hendrai hakani ke seniru lawan poi saki bor penya district jong ke West Karbi Anglong District. Ringkat artrok ki pulen ki balaking atiar bha ki balara ringkat ru bat kil air pensat khamat ni ki tear gas. Ya kani ke kenhon bor district jong ke Karbi Anglong lawan mi khamat the way magistrate way we pulet DSP u chairman jong ke border committee bat ki we dik he pulen. Kat bana kaliang ke West Gentle Hills District pat ladon tang uwei officer in charge jong ke Natiang Police Station bat kendai ngot ki pulen bat kham hadien lawan poi sau MDC jong ke mensngat khanduli uba dawan lengdo bat UMDC ke Barato Mukro uba ai bor lang sadap ke bala khampan he mesim ya kinong song snong hadien kani kaladon ke jekren ha ke bana kaliang ki officer jong ke Karbi Anglong kila pensai bahabadan kum kini ki jing pentrei haki benta kapot dai ban pentep syabaro arli ki district jong bro arjela kata ya ke West Karbi Anglong District kumjo ya ke West Gentle Hills District. Hendrai haba ke dorbar snong jong ke snong lapangap hapo ke jelam jo orang ba snong uba Diamond mi lingdo. Kila pensotho bakani kam dai ke jing pentrei ke balabai pisa da ke sarkar ni kinu ni kenhon. Hendrai ke dai tang ke jing mi Traimon Sobha ki pajba bansok hi kelai kawan. Hadien ke jing kren la sya biang ki pajba ban maramat ya ke ni ke surok.
So this is done by the local people only. This is not a government scheme.
No, yes.
So when did you were informed about this? When were you informed about this? When did the local inform you regarding this construction?
Before we have the committee with this village, so they allowed both of us to construct. Which village we construct about this?
Who allow you?
Our committee.
Committee. Which committee?
With Lagaroy and Lapangap committee.
Langkaroy and committee members.
We have a mutual understanding.
Okay. So only these two villages, like you had a committee along with the members of this village,
Yes.
and then you finally made decisions to construct the road.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. See, that is understandable. That is understandable. But the thing is that since the road construction is a bit indisputed the side, okay, some part falls in the Karbi Anglong district boundary. So what is required is that you have to intimate the district administrations of our area. Okay, that is important because there was based on agreement. Last time there was an agreement between the Meghalaya administration as well as the Assam administration of West Karbi Anglong district administration. They had a meeting last year in Shillong, I think, no? Yeah. According to that agreement, whatever road construction or whatever has to be done, there should be prior communication, prior intimation. That's all. Okay, that's all. You have to, from this side, you have to intimate the district administration of our area. And if something has to be done from the Assam side also, they have to intimate your district administration. After that, whatever has to be done, that will be decided based on the mutual understanding and mutual communication between the two district administration. Okay, so that thing is not done this time. That's why we are compelled to come here. So we understand the importance of roads here, right? This is not only important for your side, even for some side also. This is for everyone's benefit. We understand it one. But the only thing is that there is communication gap between your side and our side. And based on the last agreement, you have to intimate the district administration. Okay, that is something which you don't do this time. That's why we are compelled to come here and we have to have a discussion with you all. So now I request you, before you continue this work again, you please contact the district administration of our side. From both sides, from your side and from our side, there has to be some intimation, consultations between the two sides. After that, if the board of the administration agrees, then you can continue with them.
Excuse me, someone. Yeah, here we need understanding, no? But what about the Mugairam Road? Is there any agreement?
Same thing is applicable.
Yes, same thing. Same formula you have to apply for mutual benefits.
From Assam side, that there is no disturb from Meghalaya.
No, we have intimated the district administration.
We have intimated. We have been intimated.
And they gave us the permission.
And what about this?
From Meghalaya side, you have got information about this Mugairam Road.
Yeah, we have intimated the Meghalaya government.
Yeah, whatever you say is very valid. It's very important because it has connection with this side. The only thing required is intimation, consultation. Okay, that's all. Because we all need roads, right? What you are doing is also, I know it is very important. Without roads, there cannot be development. We all understand that. What we just require is about intimation and mutual consultation.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. You see, sir, this is not road construction. Just to repair only. So happy for the people to walk.
Yes, I understand that, brother. I understand that. Okay.
It's not a scheme, just a social work only.
It's not about the scheme.
It's not about the scheme.
It's not about the scheme.
It's not about the social
any
work.
kind of work, any kind of just intimate.
Just intimation.
Just intimation.
Yes. Okay, just intimation. We are like two brothers. We just have to intimate each other because we belong to
We are
different
not
faiths.
asking you to take permission. We are not asking you to take permission. Just intimation.
Just intimate. That's what consultation.
You see, every year we used to repair this road.
Yes, that is very good. That is very good. Okay, we understand that. Whatever you are doing is very good. Everybody accepts that. The only thing is that you have to intimate our district administration. And if our side also wanted to do something, they also have to intimate your administration. Okay, that is the only thing required between us. And that is what we want. So according to the discussions we had with them, that they can continue the work in those areas which falls under Meghalaya state. And regarding the border sharing between Assam, regarding that we communicated with them. We told them that they had to intimate the district administration of Assam. So if any kind of project or if any kind of work they have to take, which falls within the border area, both the district administrations have to intimate each other. And that is also based on the earlier agreement which was made in Shillong between the two district administrations. So now everything has been done. Now the people will continue their work regarding their social work which falls under the Meghalaya state. So that will continue go on. And regarding any kind of project or any kind of work which fall under boundary, some intimation has to be required. So regarding the work of the border area that is being halted, so the remaining which falls under Meghalaya, they can continue when they are continuing.